In Santa Clara County, you must wear a mask when visiting a business and on public transit. But San Jose is trying to go even further than that. A city proposal would require people to cover their faces in any public place, including parks. Masks would have to be on when interacting with anyone outside of a person's own household. But KPIX5's Len Ramirez tells us even if the city passes the ordinance, it's not clear the police chief will actually enforce it. Len?
That's right. The police chief has been very outspoken, Eddie Garcia, in calling some of these issues public health issues, not public safety issues. He is drawing that distinction, and he said that he doesn't want his officers writing safety infractions for only those ordinances. San Jose and Santa Clara County would be some of the last places in the Bay Area to enact a mandatory mask law, and Vice Mayor Chappie Jones says it's time.
To prevent you from infecting someone else.
An ordinance he proposed that would require people in San Jose to cover their faces practically any time they're in public or outdoors or risk the possibility of getting a ticket will likely be passed by the City Council June 2nd.
It's been proven that face covering will prevent or mitigate the spread of the COVID-19 virus.
Many people walking the streets are already voluntarily wearing masks in San Jose.
I think this is something that we probably should have had in place weeks ago.
But during a city council discussion on how the ordinance would be enforced, Police Chief Eddie Garcia said his officers would not enforce it.
From a law enforcement perspective and how we enforce it simply is not our role. I do fear that enforcement would impact our most vulnerable, the homeless, the less affluent communities.
That prompted the mayor to weigh in.
I do want to address the concerns raised by the chief. I appreciate these concerns. I don't agree with them.
Other agencies are enforcing mask rules. The Santa Clara County Sheriff's Office, which provides police patrol for the city of Cupertino, said it's enforcing that city's ordinance, quote, although we wish no enforcement action would be necessary, there were incidents in which members of the public were cited. One person donning a mask before he went into a store said the situation in San Jose is confusing.
No, I think it does send the wrong message when your law enforcement department's not backing up what the policymakers want. So, I mean, it'd be nice if they were all on the same page.
Now, we had hoped to get further clarification from the police chief today on his position. In fact, he had called a news conference for 11 a.m. today to talk to reporters about it, but that news conference was abruptly called off about an hour ahead of time, so we have not heard from the chief on this issue today. Reporting live in San Jose, Len Ramirez, KPIX 5.